Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. A bedroom's background aesthetic wall is like a canvas waiting to be painted with your personal style and creativity. This focal point sets the tone for the entire space, shaping the ambience and mood. Whether you prefer a serene and tranquil atmosphere or a vibrant and integrative vibe, choosing the right aesthetic wall can make all the different soft muted colors with subtle textures can create a soothing and calming backdrop perfect for relaxation and peaceful sleep. On the other hand, bold and vibrant wallpapers or intricate wall art can infuse energy and character into the room, reflecting your unique personality, whether it's a minimalist sandwich design, a luxurious art deco motif, or a bohemian tapestry inspired wall. Your bedroom's background aesthetic wall is your opportunity to make a stunning statement and craft a space that resonates with your individual tastes and preferences. Additionally, lighting plays a critical role in enhancing the appeal of your bedroom's background aesthetic wall. Consider installing ambient lighting fixtures or wall sconces that accentuate the textures and colors, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere to add a touch of nature. You can incorporate wall-mounted shelves for displaying plants or artwork, further enhancing the room's aesthetic appeal. Lastly, don't forget the power of personal touches, such as framed photos of artwork, to make your bedroom background aesthetic wall truly your own, making it a heaven of comfort and style. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.